dates milk smoothie or dates milk rice flakes banana smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most unique of the dates recipes and one of the most easiest to make the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the date smoothie recipes. We're going to make dates banana rice flakes milk smoothie. We've taken around 100 grams of banana cut into pieces, around 100 grams of rice flakes, 50 grams of sugar, and around 50 grams of dates from which the seeds have been removed. The banana pieces, the dates, put in the rice flakes, the sugar, close and grind well. 300 ml of milk, close and grind well. Open. Now the base banana rice flakes milk smoothie is ready. It can be poured into the glasses. Pour the mixture into a glass. This is the final dates banana rice flakes milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most different of the dates recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the banana milk smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana smoothie recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.